Lesson number 21, Comparing Numbers. We are going to learn in this chapter how to identify. The numbers are in order. So that starts from 1 and it moves ahead. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's so they are in this number of orders. Number coming in the number that is going to be the next number is greater than all the numbers behind. For example, if we were to count in order 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so the number 16 is bigger than all previous numbers, as well as the number 13 is bigger than all previous numbers. Similarly, let's circle the smallest number from the given boxes. The first box is number 3 and 8. The number 8 is coming after 3. So, 3 is smaller number. Let's circle number 3. Circle the small number 1 in number 1 and 9. Circle the small number 2 in number 2 and 20. Circle the small number 7 in numbers 7 and 15. Circle the small number 11 in numbers 11 and 19. Circle the small number 31 in the numbers 31 and 99. Circle the small number 45 in the numbers 45 and 75. Now circle the bigger number in each box. Circle the bigger number 7 in between 4 and 7. Circle the bigger number 7 in between 2 and 7. Circle the bigger number 9 in between 8 and 9. What is the bigger number in 11 and 19? Correct, 19. Circle the bigger number 52 in between 22 and 52. Such small big numbers can be shown by special sign or symbol. Now, we'll learn what the sign is and how to show it. Those two symbols are less than and greater than. Check out this symbol and understand it. That on one side, two lines are separated in different directions and one side are connected. That is, we say, symbols' ends are connected. The number, which is small, is displayed on the connected edges of symbol. The bigger number is shown by the opposite side of the symbol, means show the two-edged side. So, let's try this example. Here are 3 and 7 number are given. Let's show the smallest number 2 or pi the symbol of connected edge. The bigger number has two-edged symbol. 3 is less than 7, like this. 1, 9 shows 1 less than 9. Now 7 and 3. How to show symbol for these numbers? Correct. 7 greater than 3, like this. Also look forward. 20 greater than 2. 9 greater than 1. 11 greater than 15. Now, let's learn one more of if we take any two-digit numbers, how to decide which one is greater number. So, keep in mind, we have learned tens and units. So, the number of the tens place is bigger, that is, the bigger number. The number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. See, 37 and 52 are two numbers. Of these, 37 is 3 tens and 52 means 5 tens. So, 37 is less than 52. It can be shown in such a way. Now you understand this more clearly from your teachers and practice.